Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the case may be. This is Marty Grunder from Grunder Landscaping Company and the Grow Group for Landscape Management Magazine. Hey, in June, we're going to go to JT Price's landscape workshop outside of Birmingham, Alabama. JT's company was one that they've taken from around $10 million a year when he bought it and his team bought it up to $140 million a year in annual sales. They're growing like crazy. They're doing a lot of great things. A lot of their success can be attributed to metrics. But not just metrics, having a clear understanding of the metrics and transparency associated around those metrics with everybody in the team. You know, in all the companies that we work with here at the Grow Group, in our peer groups and others, we're constantly talking about metrics. And metrics may be an overwhelming word to you. JT's team certainly has found out the power of a clearly communicated series of metrics and measuring them and watching them and understanding them. Let me give you a real simple one that you can start measuring if you've not worked with metrics yet, and it's called an efficiency rating. You take your budgeted hours, the hours that you sold on the jobs, versus the actual hours, all right? And we're looking for improvement there. Obviously, in a perfect world, it'd be 100%, which means that you used all the hours that were budgeted. Ideally, it'd be nice to bank some hours, to save some hours for all the jobs to be more efficient. No matter what level of sophistication your team has, if you've not experienced metrics, an efficiency rating is a really quick, easy one that you can spend some time focusing on and your entire organization can understand. Because if a job was bid for 100 hours and it took 110, everybody can figure out that's bad. If a job was bid for 110, but it only took 90, that's good. Give some consideration to metrics this month. Be careful and be transparent around it, and I think you'll find greener pastures for your business. We'll see it at Landscape Workshop in June at the NALP Grow Group Field Trip. Have a great day.